Hello, this is a short video about the Haya Centurion and how to disable the BB system. A lot of customers have asked about disabling it but keeping the recoil. I'll just go through a simple process, because the mechanism to fire for it to work using a common one, the Henglong type BB unit, which is in many models. This triggered by a little micro switch, a twin blade micro switch at the back. It's a mechanical system. The piston comes back, presses the switch together, and that activates the whole system in the board. There's the power motor, the power lead for the motor. So this gearbox will operate and the gun will fire, BB, and the recoil is all triggered through the existing program. Now, how to get rid of that? Using this kit. You can get this from Haya. It's quite simply a TV remote, a receiver and an indicator, and one little jump plug. Okay, this is how it sets up. First things first, make sure your power is off. So there's no power. You can just disconnect the battery just to make double certain, but simple enough. Power's off. No power in there at all. On the board, you've got the port for the IR, infrared port here. You plug this lead into the IR port. You then plug the jumper on these two pins here, right next to it. Okay. Now you're ready to reset the Clark board. Power on. Using this power switch, you just press it once. You aim it at the receiver on the lead here. That flashes twice because it's set up for the Henglong type BB unit. Now it goes up to 9 flashes. So what you're looking for is to cycle through all the setup until you get 1 flash, which is the servo control only. So you've got 3, 4, 5. Just keep pressing, it'll cycle through. Maybe one more. Now it's set at 1 flash. When you got the 1 flash, you switch off. Power's off. You now remove the cable. Careful not to. Let's take that one out first. Pull the plug, not the cable, because otherwise you pull the cables out of the plug. You can now replace the servo lead back into its point here. Okay. Switch on and we'll demonstrate. If you look on the, if you got the little separate board with on the Haya Centurion, where you got the 8-pin, the old 8-pin plug, and you've got your MG, elevation, and you did normally have the gun unit, the gearbox motor, and the recoil trigger.
But now it's plugged off.
Yeah, they're all out. They're unplugged now. Right. Power's on.
Yeah, just shoot.
Right. So we should be able to just. Now we have the recoil. You can see it moving there. And the gun sound. And this will also trigger if you put the smoke generator and gun flash bulb in there. This will trigger with the servo, with the recoil. makes it easy. So you've still got all the other sounds.
Function.
Everything's still working, but you no longer have this. Don't need the BB anymore. It'll all work and function without the BB.